My most dangerous journey. The year was 2022, and I found myself on the verge of an expedition that would test my courage and resilience like never before. The destination? The heart of the Amazon rainforest, a vast and mysterious wilderness teeming with exotic creatures and hidden treasures. As I stepped into the dense foliage of the Amazon, I was immediately engulfed by the sights and sounds of this enchanting jungle. My journey began with a sense of excitement, but little did I know that the mysteries hidden within the heart of the Amazon would soon become the greatest challenge of my life. Navigating the treacherous waters of the Amazon River was no easy feat. The currents were strong, and the wildlife lurking beneath the surface added an element of danger. Every twist and turn brought a new set of challenges, from avoiding hidden rocks to outsmarting the resident predators. Venturing into uncharted territory, I faced obstacles that tested my survival skills to the limit. The thick vegetation made progress slow and arduous, and I had to rely on my instincts and resourcefulness to navigate through the jungle's labyrinth. At times, the eerie silence of the rainforest would be shattered by the calls of unknown creatures, adding an element of suspense to my journey. The Amazon is home to some of the world's most incredible and, at times, dangerous wildlife. From brightly colored macaques to stealthy jaguars, every encounter brought a mix of awe and caution. I learned to respect the animal's territory, maintaining a safe distance while appreciating the beauty of their natural habitat. As the days passed, I faced unforeseen challenges that tested not only my physical strength, but also my mental resilience. Building makeshift shelters, sourcing food and water, and staying alert to the ever-changing conditions of the rainforest became integral to my survival. My most dangerous journey through the Amazon rainforest was a thrilling adventure that pushed me beyond my limits. Through challenges and triumphs, I discovered the importance of courage, adaptability, and respect for nature. Remember, young adventurers, life's greatest lessons often come from the most daring journeys. So, gear up, dream big, and embark on your own extraordinary adventures. The world is waiting for you to explore